Hi guys, so in today's video, we will dub a English video to Hindi using artificial intelligence. Before beginning the video, you should first watch this video, which was first in English, but later I used artificial intelligence to dub the video to Hindi.
दोस्तों आज के वीडियो में आप देखेंगे कि मैं एआई का उपयोग करके एक वायरस स्क्रिप्ट कैसे लिखता हूं अर्नोल्ड की और यहाँ तक कि पूर्ण अनुसंधान के साथ। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So to make these types of videos, we will basically go to 11 labs, and in our browser we will type 11 labs. Click on the first link and then click on get started for free. And above there's some options which are showing speech synthesis, projects, dubbing, voice lab, voice library, history and resources. The new features which is added here is dubbing. So we click on dubbing and then we will click on create a new dub, and I will name my new dubbing project new dub 1. So the source language, the language which I'm speaking in the video, is English, and the language I want to generate is Hindi. So you can put a video, an audio or a video file which can be approximately 45 minutes and which can be equal to 100 MB. So instead of doing that, I'll just drop a YouTube link, and show it thick means it accepts my link, so I'll click on create. Now it approximately takes 2 minutes for it to generate and create the video. As you can see, the dub is created, and to download it, just simply click on the download button here and let's view it.
दोस्तों आज के वीडियो में आप देखेंगे कि मैं एआई का उपयोग करके एक वायरस स्क्रिप्ट कैसे लिखता हूं अर्नोल्ड की और यहाँ तक कि पूर्ण अनुसंधान के साथ।
So that's how you dub a video.